Greetings to you. Okay, God is perfect. This is our thought for this course. God is perfect. God is perfect. Dieu est parfait. God is perfect. God is perfect. God is perfect. God is perfect. Thank you. In this lesson, we're going to see the subject pronouns. Subject pronouns. Les pronoms sujets. The subject pronouns. Okay, the subject pronouns are, you're gonna see, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Okay? Try to read after me. Essayez de répéter après moi. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Now I'm going to read after you. Maintenant je vais répéter après vous. Okay? Your turn. Okay? I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Okay, thank you. They are the subject pronouns. I mean, pour signifie à la place de. Ok, ce sont des mots qu'on peut mettre à la place de nom. Subject pronouns. Ok, on peut les mettre à la place de nom comme étant sujet. Ok, thank you. They can replace nouns. Ok, like subject. You're gonna see. Okay, singular. There are singular subjects. I, you, the first you. He, she, it. Okay, and 8. Great, thank you. They are singular. You singular, okay? I, you, he, she, it. They are singular. Now, plural. We, you, and they. Okay, right, thank you. You must know them. And they are very important because you can see them in almost all the phrases. Ou capable de presque toute expression en anglais, the subject pronouns, ok? Dans presque toute phrase, on est capable de jouer subject pronouns. Soit remplacé par, you remplace no, you see the nouns, ou bien ouais non exactement, ok? They are very important. You must know them automatically. Okay. Try to keep the explanation. Essayez garder l'explication. On peut essayer qu'il y ait une explication qui me parle là. Though they are easy, but you must, keep the explanation that is very useful for you. Même là, c'est facile, mais on peut essayer de garder qu'il y ait une explication qui est très utile là ou même, ok? For example, we have, okay, I, qui remplace la personne qui parle. Moi à parler, je suis en train de parler là. C'est I qui va me remplacer, ok? For example, I am teaching English. Okay? I am teaching English. Je suis en train d'enseigner l'anglais. M'a enseigné anglais. I am teaching English. Okay? I me remplace. You. M'a parlé ensemble avec vous comme étant singulier. I replace you by you. Me remplace par you. Okay? For example, you are watching a video. Ok? Vous êtes en train de regarder. Ok? Une vidéo. You are watching a video. Ok? You are watching a video. You can even pronounce it better. Ok? But if you cannot pronounce it better than I, si vous ne pouvez pas prononcer le plus bien, bah c'est moi. So, on va essayer de prononcer même genre. Ok? You are watching a video. You are watching a video. On va regarder une vidéo. He. Now, he remplace une personne, mais un gars. Si vous êtes en train de parler de ce gars-là, soit parler de garçon ça, you must replace him, okay, by he. Vous devez remplacer par he, okay. For example, okay, we are talking about Elira. On a parlé de Elira. Elira is a boy. Elira est un garçon. Elira is here. Elira est présent. Ou bien est ici. Ok? Elira là. Ok? Il est présent. Good. Thank you. I think you understand. Là, parler d'un garçon. When you are talking about a boy. Ok? Vous remplacez par he. Thank you. And she. When you are talking about, okay, a girl. Ok? Là, parler d'une fille. Ok, on va remplacer par she. Même s'il présent, même s'il pas présent, on va remplacer par she. Si on va parler d'elle, ok? Very important, très important. We are talking about lovely. On a parlé de lovely. Lovely is beautiful. Ok, lovely is beautiful. Lovely is beautiful. Lovely est belle. Ok, lovely belle. Elles sont belles. Ok, puis lovely is beautiful. On a parlé d'elle. Ok, good. 8. If you are talking about, okay, for example, an animal, or parler d'un animal, you can replace it by 8, okay? The rat is in its hole. The rat is in its hole, okay? Le rat est dans son trou. Rat là dans trou, you replace the rat by 8. It is in its hole, okay? Dans son trou. Good. It is in its hole. It is in its hole. Okay? Hole, c'est tout. Good. Thank you. And now we have we. Okay? We nous remplace. We remplace nous tous. Okay? Je fais partie. La personne qui parle fait partie du sujet plus les autres personnes. Okay? On va remplacer nous par we. We are, okay, learning English. Where you, okay, let me say Sheila, you and I are, okay, learning English. We are learning English. We are learning English. Good, thank you. Nous sommes en train d'apprendre, okay, l'anglais. N'a pas appris l'anglais. We are learning English. Okay. Now, you, c'est pluriel. Si on va parler avec deux mondes. Par exemple, on va parler avec plusieurs mondes, plus que deux personnes. Ok, à partir de plusieurs, you can replace them by you. Ok, on va remplacer par you. On va parler avec vous, avec Zamou là. Ok, you are students. Ok, you and your friend are students. Ok, your friend and you are students. Ok, you are students. Vous êtes des étudiants. Ok. Good, I think you understand here. You understand, thank you. Now we have they, okay? If you are talking about several, okay, people, soit parler de plusieurs mondes, you can replace them by they. Soit parler de plusieurs choses, okay, you can replace them by, okay, they. And if you are talking about, okay, several animals, you can replace them by they, okay? They are in the class, okay? They are in the class. Ils sont dans la classe. You're in a class là, you replace them by they. Now, they are on the table, okay? They are on the table, okay? You see, the fork and the knife are on the table, okay? La fourchette et le couteau, okay, sont sur la table. They are on the table, okay? Good. Now, they are on the table, okay? Ils sont sous la table. You're on bas table là, okay? The dog and the cat, okay? The dog and the cat, okay? They are on the table. They are under the table. They are under the table. They are under the table, okay? Ils sont, okay, sous la table. Il était capable elle tout si c'est female, okay? Si c'est tout les female, you can, okay, replace them by, okay, elle. Elles sont sur, okay, sous la table. Under, okay, under the table. They are under the table. They are under the table. Good. Now, okay. Nous avons parlé de he qui doit remplacer un garçon. Now, but, il n'est pas supposé remplacer animal. Mais si son pet, okay, ou capable de remplacer par lui-même. Par exemple, okay, a dog, c'est un pet, avec dire un chouchou, un animal familier. You can replace, okay, it, okay, by he. Comme ça, you can replace him, okay, by he. It is not really a problem, okay? It is not really a problem if you replace the dog by it, okay? Si on remplace le chien by it, it's good too, okay? But you can replace, okay, the dog by he because it is a pet, parce que c'est un animal familier. Thank you. And she can replace a female, okay? For example, a female. Okay, and a domestic animal, toujours pet, pet égale domestic animal, okay, animal, domestic, domestic animal, domestic animal, domestic animal, okay. We have a cat, okay, a cat is a domestic animal, okay. You can replace the cat by she if it is a female or by he if it is a male. You understand? Thank you. Okay, now he, the plural of he, okay, is they. They, c'est pluriel de he. If you are talking about one boy, si vous parlez d'un seul garçon, you replace, okay, the boy by he, mais si c'est plusieurs, c'est vous, you replace, okay, them by they. Okay, thank you. You must know. She can replace a girl that, okay, that we are talking about, okay? Better saying a girl whom we are talking about, if we cannot parler de lui-même, we can replace, okay, her by she. Nous pouvons remplacer par she, but si c'est plusieurs, okay, nous pouvons remplacer par they. It. It, okay, can replace a thing. Nous capable de remplacer une chose, okay? Non-human object. Nous capable de remplacer ok? Un objet inanimé, ok? Or an animal, ou bien un animal. But its plural is, pluriel c'est they. Pour plusieurs choses, on peut passer par they. Non plusieurs choses. So for animals, okay, you can replace them by they. Okay, I think you understand the course very well. You can rewind it, ou capable de tourner, and it is very good. It is very important. Okay, the subject pronouns are very important. Okay, les pronoms sujets sont très importants. Okay, il y a remplacer de nom comme étant sujet. You can ask a question to know more. Ou capable poser une question pour connaître plus. Okay. Thank you because you are following Lidom Kalalu pour parler anglais. You won't regret that, okay? Faut pas regretter ça. Thank you. Timalis dit, Bouki, do you know the subject pronouns? Bouki répond, si son question liée, réponse là tout là-dedans. No. Thank you.